everyone! Today I have a really quick little video to share with you about how to make some really easy loopy string flowers, as I like to call them, that you can make in no time for very little money and very few supplies. And you can make a whole bunch of these and use them in all sorts of projects to add embellishments or to decorate any of your projects. So all you do is you get some string or yarn or cordage, even ribbon, and you take a length of it and just wrap and wrap around your hand about a dozen times or so. Then you're left with what I call this a ring of, we'll call it a ring of rope here. And use good scissors, by the way. Those are my paper scissors, so that's not recommended to cut string. Then you need to tie the whole bundle together. Now, this string was a little particularly slippery, so I found it best to knot it twice, and that's what I'm showing you there. First, I'm going to knot it as a ring, and then I'm going to fold the ring and knot the whole bundle together. So here I'm doing like a double tying system. I'm just showing I'm securing all the strands in one bundle. Now at this point, if you want, you could make sure that the knot is super tight and you can cut the threads and you could make a flower that way. But I want to show you how to make a loopy flower here. So I'm taking the little string, same string I used the first time, squishing that little ring of that wrapped ring of string, and now I am going to make another knot to make sure I've grabbed the entire ring of wrapped thread for the whole bundle into one bundle with a very tight knot. And now we have what looks like a bow, and we just need to fan out all the loops until we have a flower shape that we're happy with. And it's that easy. I told you this was going to be a really easy project. You can make so many of these in no time at all. To finish off the flower, you're going to see in a little bit what I do. I go to my button collection, and with some hot glue, I will just glue on a button. Remember, if you use hot glue, remember to protect your little fingers because hot glue will burn your skin. And if you don't have hot glue, you can use any type of adhesive. Just make sure you hold down the button because it's not a very flat surface on the knot of the flower, and just wait till it's glued. So you can go ahead and make a whole bunch of these. Here I'm just showing you again how I am completing the loopy flower with another button and some more glue. So I hope that you enjoyed this tip and you will get your craft on. Please, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Please comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new content if you want to be notified. And until next time, thanks so much for watching and stay crafty. Bye!